Base spread token is going absolutely parabolic. Is base spread going to flip bonk? The Solana meme coins are having a crazy rush and you're not going to miss going on next. Welcome back to my NIB YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on base spread meme coin, a meme coin that's been absolutely crushing. Guys, so let's take a look at what the heck is going on in the crypto market. We're seeing interesting things. Overall market up about 0.9% today, which is looking not too shabby. Sorry, my computer's kind of glitching out again, so if you see that little flashing little thing, it's just ignore it. But we're seeing fear and greed index currently at a 51 neutral, slowly creeping back towards the greed index, which is great. Bitcoin's pumping a little bit today. We're still down 3% on the week at a $64,000 Bitcoin. Ethereum holding a strong position at $3,500. Overall, we're seeing some interesting things happening in the meme coin space. Now we go over to meme coins, guys, and we see where does base spread land. It's still in the top 10 coins, and very soon it's about to flip BONK token. We're like very close in terms of market cap, potentially even going to flip Floki. That's what it's looking like. This product is up nearly 1% on the day. In terms of week, we're up a whopping 7%, which is not too bad. Then we look on the 1 month and we're up 175%. This base spread token doing some pretty exciting things. That being said, talking about exciting things, guys, I want to talk about a new meme coin that's going absolutely ballistic. It's brand new. They've already raised almost $400,000, and this is Pepe Unchained Layer 2. So Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy and stake now during the pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. So what is Pep Unchained? A better speed, better gains, and some delicious Pepe flavors. So instant bridge between ETH and Pepe coin, lowest transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and then dedicated on the block explorer. We see reports AP up to 6,978%. Pep was a prisoner chained to the old chunky layer 1 server room until now, where we got its own blockchain. We see in 1 day and 11 hours the time to film this video, the next price hike will happen. So you want to buy it at the absolute lowest price, now is your time to buy. We have a dedicated video for this project, guys. If you want to take a look on a deep dive, let us know in the comment section below. Now let's go back to everyone's favorite base token. We're taking a look at the technical analysis first. As we can see, oscillators are in sell. However, the moving averages are in buy. So summary is giving us a summary of neutral, which is not too shabby. Talking about neutral, guys, the news has been in the bullish direction. So Brett is base. Base meme coin Brett threatens to flip Solana coin BONK. Could Brett reach a new all-time high in June as new P2E meme coin pre-sales nears $5 million? A lot of people are talking about Brett as exciting things are happening. This article in particular, right, talking about how it's going to flip BONK, right? And it's very close. We're like literally days away, potentially even hours away. So base meme coin based Brett threatens to flip Solana's BONK, and BONK has been the most popular Solana coin. Base Brett's biggest meme coin has gone under $10 million market capitalization to nearly $2 billion in 101 days. Brett is now whiskier away from flipping Solana coin BONK. There's less than 7% between them in this morning, and guys, right now it's like less than, I want to say 1%. BONK is at an all-time high in March, and since then has retracted about 40%, while Brett has launched only days earlier and has gone up 200%. And we see Brett versus BONK, guys, versus Pep versus Whiff, and we can see Brett is about to pass BONK, and again, it launched pretty relatively the same time as well. So it's interesting to see how far this project is going to go, and the meme coin space is definitely getting escalated. And talking about getting escalated, guys, with Andrew Tate pumping and dumping these mainly Solana meme coins, if he does end up showing love to some of the base coins, is this going to position Brett to be the next big crypto gem? Because that's what everyone's saying. Brett going to be that next 100x gem that's going to take the new crypto riches to new heights. That's exactly what we're all looking for, and that's the gems we're hunting for. If that sounds like something you want to do, you want to hunt the newest gems, make sure down below as we're covering this stuff on the daily. Charts are looking relatively healthy, guys. We're seeing top meme coins in this space. Brett is definitely climbing that chart, potentially even going to flip Floki, entering the top 5 space. This could be absolutely insane. So everybody holding Brett, I know, is very bullish. If you're holding Brett, let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Regardless, let us know how you're feeling. Like always, though, guys, this is not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.